My name is Dr. Arne Ittner. I'm a researcher at the Dementia Research Center of Macquarie University, where I lead a research team on mechanisms in dementia. My research interest into dementia research stems from trying to understand the molecules that are involved in brain cell function and what happens with those molecules once brain function is impaired. I think research into Alzheimer's disease is really important because Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia affect a lot of people in our societies, not only including the patients but also the relatives and carers. So it is something that many people can relate to, and it is an urgent problem of our time. The grant that I received from Dementia Australia was to support a project that tried to close the gap on what pathways there are to inhibit toxicity in Alzheimer's disease. Quality research in neuroscience requires precision instruments and materials. Funding from the Dementia Australia Research Foundation supported us obtaining those materials. Our research started with my key interest in a set of enzymes called p38 that we found are really critical in Alzheimer's disease. We use mouse models of Alzheimer's disease to understand what happens in the brain during dementia progression. Mice have a relatively complex brain structure, which allows us to understand brain processes better. Our research actually produced a very surprising result. So far it was thought that the tau protein only promotes the disease progression, but we found that a small component of tau can actually inhibit the disease. At this stage, I don't want to speculate on a cure. However, it brought us closer to understanding how molecules that naturally occur in the brain can actually protect us from some of the toxic effects during Alzheimer's disease. When I received the funding from Dementia Australia, I was really excited because it not only meant we could move forward with the project, I felt it was also the first step that I would take to build up my progress as a researcher.